¿Cómo estás? Hello guys, good afternoon from Amman, Jordan. Kumusta na po ang lahat? Hayaan nyo lang kasi minsan, nakapag-ilis ako, maikli lang like half an hour or kalahating oras or isang oras dahil nga sa nandito yung amo natin. Pero pag wala naman na sila, kagaya ngayon, napahaba talaga tong ilis ko. Kasi wala walang tao. Kapag nandyan kasi, hindi tayo pwedeng mag-iingay or iwan-iwan ng mga cellphone kung saan-saan. Ngayon, natsimpuhan na mahaba-haba siya sa labas. So, tayo ay makapag-ilis hanggang 3 hours. Kasi, ilalakad ko rin naman tong alaga ko mamaya. After 30 minutes, we were going out to walk. We are going out for walking. So, ang ganda din kasi, gusto ko rin mag-walking sa kanya dahil pati ako, nagiging, na rin ako yung, alam nyo yun, exercise, walking exercise. So, happy kaya to si Boy. He is a boyfriend. He is a pretty boy. He gonna be happy if we are going to walk. He watch all the cats outside. He watch all the cars. He watch all the people. He's very happy walking down the street, walking down the highway. So this is the life of the dog. Oh my God, he's very cute, guys. See what he's doing. You know, guys, he's very cute. He's very lovely. Guys, what are you doing? Boy! So, ganito lang siya, guys. O, tingnan nyo. Ang cute niya, no? Sumasandal siya sa, sa kamay ko. Hi! Cute, 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 cute! Kung pwede lang tayong uminom ng tsaa, tayong dalawa. Mag-upo na tayo dun sa kusina. Iinom tayo ng tsaa. You're so very, very cute boy. He's very cute, guys. You know, what happened to him? He loves me so much. I love you, boy. Ay, nako ang boy. He is my baby boy. Big love shout out. 3 million in the house. How are you guys? Ay, ang cute ng baby boy ko. He's very, very cute. He's very, very handsome. He's very polite. Ayan. Ayan, tapos ka nang nagsuklay. Mamayang konti, toothbrush na naman. Mega love shout out. Kanina, ang daming tao. Hindi ko sila naharap. Pero ngayon, humarap na ako, nawala yung mga tao. Ohohoy! Ohohoy! Where are you going? 2 million in the house. 2 million in the house. Mega love shout out. Hello guys, good afternoon. From Amman, Jordan, mega love shout out everyone. He's so very cute. And he is very cute. And he is very cute. And he is a pretty. He is a pretty boy. Oh my God. He like massage. You know guys. He like massage. He love massage. So I always give him massage. Mega love shout out. 2 million in the house.